Hello, hello, amazing people of crypto, blockchain, and Web3. This is a great time to be alive in the crypto market. Just yesterday, we saw Bitcoin finally touch the all time high. And while we've seen a bit of a setback since then, we are here to decode all of that and where the market will go from here. And for that, I have with me the Bit Blonde. Hi, Hemilly. How are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you for having me once more. I'm very happy today. Actually, everybody's happy, right? You don't see that smile every day when I'm
That's
recording.
true.
Nice. Yeah, I'm very optimistic about the market and ready to have a look on it.
Yep, optimism is on an all time high, and so is greed at this time, which is why we need to assess the market a little better. I think it'll be great if you could first decode what exactly happened in the market yesterday. A lot of people were expecting 100K on BTC, but that, of course, did not went through. But this again is a great breakthrough in terms of price action. We've seen a bit of a pullback since then. In fact, BTC price did momentarily also touch the 59K mark, which was, according to me, a great buying zone at this point. But what are your 2 cents on it? What's your take on the entire all-time high and then the pullback that happened yesterday? Currently, if I'm not wrong, we're at about 66.2. If, however, you could decode that a little better in terms of technicals for our audiences, that would be great. It's all yours now.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. We're going to this screen in a second, but like I'm still on my 70K target price for today, and I don't expect Bitcoin to go lower, but of course I got stopped, but I'm happy because I had my stop loss. So let's have a look on it. I've got multiple coins open at the moment. So that's the Bitcoin graph. And yes, we saw that rejection around 68,735, and we came all the way down here and I bought the dip once more, you know, because I'm very very I don't want to be sure, but like we're literally at 70K, so I knew that was gonna go back. And yeah, I'm waiting on 70K for my first target price, but I don't expect Bitcoin to drop again. I don't think so. I think we're likely to see like 75, 76. And yeah, I don't know from here what would happen, like it was bad. I'm happy that I have my stop loss, so I could just enter a new long. But looking into the TA side, it was good to have this dip here because then we can have more power to go up, and we could
Mm-hmm.
definitely go higher. Like I would say 75, 76, or even further. That's another talk. I don't know what's going to happen from here. I know people are super greedy, but I don't think that we're going to go low before the halving anymore. I just don't
Mm-hmm.
think so because we are pretty far on it. So if we go to the daily, oh yeah, let me reload.
Yeah.
Let me try to go to the daily. We're having this bearish divergence on a daily, but
Yeah.
like I don't feel like we're gonna drop. I could be wrong. And if you're trading without a stop loss, that's absolutely risky. But it's just like the mentality of the wide. They see everything going up, as I mentioned before. They would just keep injecting money into Bitcoin, and we literally at 70K. We're so close to it, and
Mm-hmm.
from that level, we can go back to the 4 hourly chart.
Yeah.
So from 70K, we have to watch close. But as we have this massive correction, I'm pretty confident we're going to continuously go up. Also, the 200 AMA, it's very, very into the upside.
Absolutely.
And yeah, let's have a look on Ethereum because Ethereum, it's going to do crazy also.
I do agree with you there.
Yeah, so Ethereum was the same scenario. That's why I've been up all night. But I don't really recommend people doing that. So Ethereum, it's going to 4K very very soon. we're kind of, couple of pips from it. It's currently at 3,877, and I'm looking forward to take profit at 4K. And then I would see what else it's going to happen, because then we might see a little correction and it might be another opportunity for long on ETH. So, like, if you haven't bought at this Jeep, I don't know if you should buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. Maybe altcoins would be better for you because it's already it's going crazy. And at this point, you have to let it run and just adjust your stop loss, because you have no control what's going to happen next. So if you haven't got this Jeep here, I wouldn't long, because it's like you're longing at the top, so there is no much sense. Um,
Absolutely.
uh, on the altcoins, let's go to CoinGecko today.
Yep.
Uh, it's I just wanted to change a little bit from CoinMarketCap. So
Good change, yeah.
we see that crazy volume on Bitcoin. I mean, on crypto market, and I think if you haven't catched really Bitcoin, Ethereum, it might be just better for you to go and try to find an altcoin to enter. Even knowing that is really hard because they're pumping as well. But I just feel like it's going to be more profitable for people than trying to catch Bitcoin at this price at the moment.
Yeah,
So yeah, we're having these trading coins here, and maybe let's talk about Gala, because Gala could do well.
absolutely. I also remember in the last session we were talking about Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, which we all know what they did. Three-digit gains on both the tokens was pretty intense. So for anyone
Yeah.
who might have caught on to that advice would have been knee deep into profits by now. But do you have any other? And we hate to make predictions. Always do your own research is something that we're a big advocate of. But in terms of key suggestions for altcoins, what would they be? We'll of course start from Gala and move on from there.
Yeah, we're going to have a look at Dogecoin as well, and I'm very happy about Dogecoin. I made crazy profits, and it's not the end. Like Dogecoin and Shiba, I don't feel like it's the end, because as soon as Bitcoin stop, the entire money is going to come to altcoins. It's inevitable. So Gala, it's for me, it's a buying zone. Like, even knowing that it's a little bit up already for people who couldn't catch this deep, because it's so much going on, and I understand. But I think Gala is gonna do one more rally. So let's try to measure like this. I'm not being able to draw. Yeah, I'm not being able to draw, but
No worries.
um, somewhere around at least 0.06. If you go to the daily,
Yeah,
is not doing that much compared to the other altcoins yet. So I think Gala is going to be a nice one. Um, just 1 second. This screen is a lot of things going on. So yeah, on a daily is looking like it's bouncing back.
yeah.
But even knowing that we have this bearish divergence, but if you look and zoom out, like Gala is so
Wow.
cheap. It's
Yeah.
it's really cheap. So we could
Mm.
expect another pump here around zero. I would say 0.06 first. Yeah, around here. And as you see, it's a long way to go. It's a massive way up. And let me pull the Dogecoin. Dogecoin is doing really, really great.
I do.
Uh, it's actually a great entry right now if you haven't entered. Yeah, I'm just having some issues to change the time frame. Okay. Doge. Yeah, so that's the 4 hour on the
Yeah.
Dogecoin. It's looking into the upside once more. And if we go to the daily also and zoom out, that was literally the first crazy pump that we
Yeah.
spoke Like it has about divergence, but looking into the all-time high, it's so cheap, So as soon as Bitcoin stop everything, we
Mhm.
can just watch altcoins. I think they're gonna do really, really crazy things.
Mhm.
Also,
How plausible, Hemilly, how plausible do you think is a 0.1, $0.7 on Doge, which is the last all-time high? And a lot of these coins, when you zoom out, seem to be bleeding after the sort of dip that they saw in 2022. Are we expecting a move back to the all-time high for these altcoins, especially meme tokens? Or,
yeah,
mhm.
uh, not all of them. Like I don't want to put my word on it because meme coins, right? But I think
Yeah.
Dogecoin, yeah. Dogecoin, Shiba, the ones we are familiar with already, the ones that has some sort of utility, you know. But of course, if we're talking about uh, meme coins, it's hard to say if they. I think Dogecoin, it will go back to the all-time high, definitely, but not all meme coins. Like
Mhm.
if something like Net Protocol, Gala, that's something that has utility on it, and I would say yes, but not all meme coins market. But you see crazy
Mhm.
things.
That's true.
Also, when I talk about Bonk, it's a meme
And
coin.
yeah, after Bonk, if you could also take a quick look at Doke with that, which
Yeah,
been
yeah, that way for her. Yeah, so like I can't talk for these altcoins in a very very long time. I mean meme coins, pardon. I'm messed up. So I can't say that meme coins would be here, forever. But um,
well, enjoy the party for as long as it lasts, I
yeah,
suppose.
so yeah, bonk on a daily doesn't make much sense, but on a 4 hourly chart, you can see that it's looking into consolidate and take the next pump. So I think bonk USDT is a great one. We're literally flipping the previous
Yes.
top.
Yeah.
But I don't know if this coin will last forever, but I'm just talking on the trading perspective, all right? I don't want to say that, oh, stick with buck forever. I don't know.
Hmm.
But on a trading perspective, if you can afford to invest, it's a great one.
Yeah.
And also, uh, what is the other one? I forgot, sorry.
Doke with that.
Yeah, it's W.
I I was taking a look at it when it was not in the top 100, but it was one of the trending on Coin Market, CoinGecko.
Oh,
So
yeah.
call it around one when it was ranking around 130 and doing pretty good now. Also, there's another meme coin that we should take a look at after, of course, Doge we've had.
Okay. So yeah, I think dog with her, it's just upside for a long time. So if you are trading this coin, however, be careful because it's absolutely volatile, but it's a elephant bar
Hmm.
followed by another elephant bar. So that gives me confidence to say that we might go like to 3.0,
Okay.
3.0 at least before the next correction. But it's like this coin is absolutely new. And if you go and try to find anything that is related to this coin, it could be something interesting as well. So, like, you have Trump, we've had these kind of things. But of course, it takes more research to find, all
Hmm.
right? Because that's how meme coins work. They relate things. It's like things related to Pepe, things related with Hatch. So you could just catch the next one, but of course you need to understand it. And
Absolutely.
what is the other one?
There was this coin called Rich Quack. It goes with the symbol of quack, Quack. And I remember sometime last year or the year before that, the coin was trending in October 2022. I remember there was a lot of buzz around this coin, and just today I was seeing this coin trending on CMC again,
Oh
and
my
it is at
god,
the moment, yeah, it's at the moment doing pretty good. So, I mean, we should definitely take a look at this one.
there is no much TA on it because that's actually
That's
just upside.
yeah.
Um,
for
I
the
mean,
moment. And
yeah, kind
if you zoom
of,
out,
yeah.
it's still pretty cheap if you zoom out.
Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think that's the gem of today, I would say. Yeah, this is crazy, right? But if you are trading, be careful. Be careful with these
yeah.
coins. Yeah, so Quack USDT, is that a meme coin or NFT related something?
I think it is. Yeah, it's a BSC based meme token. It's a
Oh,
Binance
okay.
meme token,
Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Uh,
but not much TA to offer at the moment for sure.
okay, so next level. Let me try to draw here. So if we're looking into the next level, somewhere around here, yeah, we kind of retesting the previous
There is.
resistance. You know, it's literally pumping right now. So I would say to retest this resistance somewhere around 0.00016 243, and then you could actually keep watching, because once you break resistance, it's just upside. But
Absolutely.
of course, be careful. But this coin is looking really interesting. I'm gonna have a look myself.
Yep.
Yeah,
Lovely. And any word on Solana? It did briefly touch
yeah.
103 yesterday, but I unfortunately couldn't catch it. But what would be a good entry
Don't
point in this?
worry, you got a lot of coins, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I've been trading Sol also. Like I'm trading a lot of things these days, but okay, here is not the best place to have a look on it. Let me just change the screen. I think Solana is gonna do another upside
Hmm.
to at least 150. Yeah, here we go. So it's very similar to Dogecoin,
Yeah.
actually, the graph. So 150, I would say the next stop for Solana.
Hmm.
It was absolutely bullish these days because we came to 142 and we had
Yeah.
this correction as well. I'll be longing again Solana, and
Okay.
it's a great project. We know Solana as well. So if you want to just hold to the all-time high as well, let me try to reload. These projects I would recommend, but not all of them. Okay. So yeah, Solana is doing crazy actually. We trying to break this resistance. So
Absolutely.
if we do break this resistance level at 150,
Hmm.
it could just go all the way to 200 actually
Yeah.
on a daily. Okay, but that would take longer. So yeah, I think if you are investing on Solana for a little bit of a long term, it's
Hmm.
actually better. If you can wait, you can make
Yeah.
more profits.
Absolutely. But Solana is definitely testing a previous high. So a good
Yeah,
move from.
everything is going up now. I think the key here is just to wait for Bitcoin to see what's going to happen next, but there is a lot of money coming to the altcoin market.
Absolutely. And as we finally are officially in a bull market, I mean, we cannot not say we're not in a bull market now that BTC has tested the all-time high. Your top tips for traders, investors in this crazy season, what would they be?
I would say, try to observe things and you don't have to panic because there is money for everybody. But of course, these times you got to watch things closely and make the right decisions. And
Absolutely.
if you are waiting, because I know people still waiting on the bull run sign, like that's crazy. I've got friends waiting on the next sign to buy Bitcoin. I'm like, we are already on a bull market. So if
That's
you need a confirmation, that's it.
mm,
We're literally at the all-time high, and it feels great. It feels really good.
absolutely. And altcoins are mostly looking really tempting at the moment. So uh,
Yeah,
But I think our top advice to anyone who is watching would be do your own research, and none of what we say is financial advice. So be mindful of the market, guys. With
Yeah,
that,
it's not.
anything else you want to add on to that, Emily?
No, that's it. I just wish everybody a beautiful bull run and be careful, make the right decisions. There is going to be an amazing year for all of us.
Absolutely, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. If you're not already following Voice of Crypto on all our social media platforms, make sure to do the same. And a big shout out to the Bit Blonde. If you're not following her on all her social platforms, be sure that you are. She posts some amazing trading advice every now and then. And Hemilly definitely is happy with her trades, and so can you be. So
Yeah.
make sure that you guys follow Voice of Crypto and the Bit Blonde. For now, we have posted our VOC announcement groups link, Telegram link on the live chat that you guys have joined it on. Make sure to click on that and join Voice of Crypto's exclusive chat on Telegram for quick signals, updates from the crypto, Web3, and blockchain market. We'll see you tomorrow with fresh updates. And until then, bye bye and have a great time in this bull run. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.